A new Harvard study finds people who use dating apps are more likely to have an eating disorder, abuse laxatives, or use other unhealthy weight management practices than those who don't use the apps. The study goes on to say, not surprisingly, women are more vulnerable than men. Dating apps may be great for finding a significant other, but they've also become a vehicle for body shaming and discrimination. For young people in particular, our society's constant focus of image and appearance adds pressure to an already stressful part of life. The team at Drug and Alcohol Attorneys is now also focusing its skills and resources on helping families and individuals in crisis because of eating disorders. Eating disorders, drug addiction, and other mental health disorders routinely tear families apart. Whatever the challenge, Mark Astor and the team at Drug and Alcohol Attorneys can help. They'll guide you on everything from treatment resources, case management, intervention, and legal strategies. Most importantly, they'll provide you with peace of mind so your loved one can get into treatment and get the help they need.